Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of action cameras. These compact powerhouses have revolutionized the way we capture our adventures, offering incredible versatility and durability to document life's most thrilling moments. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a travel enthusiast, or just someone who loves capturing unique perspectives, there's an action camera out there for you. We'll be highlighting both the positive and negative aspects of the top 5 action cameras on the market, diving deep into image quality, stabilization, features, and overall value. So buckle up, because we're about to break down the best action cameras to help you find the perfect one for your next adventure.
First up, we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black, a camera that needs no introduction. GoPro has been synonymous with action cameras for years, and the Hero 10 Black continues that legacy. One of the standout features is its incredible video quality. It can shoot up to 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. The Hero 10 Black also boasts some of the best image stabilization ever seen. GoPro's HyperSmooth 4.0 technology makes your footage look incredibly smooth. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and the menu system is easy to navigate. Plus, it's built like a tank, able to withstand drops, dust, and even water. However, battery life remains a bit of a concern. Shooting at high resolutions will drain the battery quickly, so extra batteries are a good idea. The Hero 10 Black sits at the higher end of the price spectrum. Overall, it's an absolute powerhouse of an action camera.
Next up, we have a worthy challenger to the GoPro throne, the DJI Osmo Action. DJI is known for its incredible drones, but they've also made a serious splash in the action camera market with the Osmo Action. One of the key features that sets the Osmo Action apart is its dual-screen design. It has a front-facing color screen that lets you see yourself while you're recording, which is a game-changer for vloggers and anyone who wants to make sure they're in the shot. But it's not just about the screens. The Osmo Action also packs some serious video capabilities. It can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, and its rock-steady electronic image stabilization is right up there with GoPro's HyperSmooth. In my experience, the Osmo Action consistently delivers incredibly smooth and stable footage, even when things get a little bumpy. Plus, DJI's color science is known for its accuracy and pleasing aesthetics, so you can expect your footage to look fantastic straight out of the camera. Another area where the Osmo Action shines is its user-friendliness. The touchscreen interface is responsive and intuitive, and the menu system is well organized. DJI also offers a companion mobile app that makes it easy to control the camera remotely, preview your shots, and transfer files wirelessly. Now let's talk about some of the areas where the Osmo Action could improve. While the dual-screen design is a major plus, it does come at the expense of battery life. The Osmo Action's battery life isn't bad, but it's not as good as some of the other cameras on this list. Another thing to consider is that the Osmo Action doesn't have quite the same level of accessory support as GoPro. While DJI does offer a decent range of accessories, the GoPro ecosystem is just more extensive. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action is a fantastic action camera that offers a compelling alternative to the GoPro. Its dual-screen design, excellent stabilization, and user-friendly features make it a great choice for vloggers and anyone who wants to capture their adventures with a unique perspective.
Now, let's switch gears and talk about the Insta360 a camera that takes a completely different approach to action camera design. The Insta360 is a modular action camera, meaning you can swap out different components to customize its functionality. This modularity is what makes the 1R truly unique. It has a core module that contains the processor and battery, and you can attach different lens modules to it depending on your shooting needs. Want to shoot traditional action camera footage? There's a 4K wide-angle lens module for that. Want to capture immersive 360-degree videos? There's a dual-lens 360-degree module for that too. This modular design gives you incredible flexibility, allowing you to adapt the camera to different shooting situations without having to carry around multiple devices. Plus, Insta360 is constantly releasing new modules, so the possibilities are always expanding. But the 1R isn't just about its modularity. It also boasts some impressive video capabilities. The 4K wide-angle lens module captures sharp and detailed footage, and the 360-degree module lets you capture everything around you, giving you endless creative possibilities in post-production. One of the standout features of the Insta360 is its software. Insta360's mobile app and desktop software are incredibly powerful and easy to use, allowing you to edit your 360-degree footage, reframe your shots, and create some truly mind-blowing videos. However, the modular design does come with a few drawbacks. The 1R can feel a bit bulky and less durable than some of the other cameras on this list, especially when you have multiple modules attached. Another thing to consider is that the battery life can be a bit limiting, especially when using the 360-degree module. You'll definitely want to invest in extra batteries if you plan on shooting for extended periods of time. Overall, the Insta360 is an innovative and versatile action camera that offers a unique combination of modularity, image quality, and software features. If you're looking for a camera that can do it all, the 1R is definitely worth considering.
Let's move on to a camera that's small in size but big on features. The Sony RX02. This tiny camera is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants a discreet camera they can take anywhere. Don't let its size fool you. The RX02 is packed with some serious technology. It features a 1-inch sensor, which is huge for an action camera, and it can shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. The image quality you get from this little camera is absolutely stunning, especially in low light conditions. One of the key advantages of the RX02's small size is its versatility. You can mount it in places where other cameras just won't fit, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Plus, it has a flip-up screen that's perfect for vlogging or taking selfies. Another area where the RX02 excels is its durability. It's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and crushproof, making it ready for anything you can throw at it. Whether you're hiking through the rainforest or exploring the urban jungle, the RX02 can handle it. However, the RX02's small size also comes with a few trade-offs. The battery life is quite limited, so you'll definitely want to carry spare batteries if you plan on shooting for extended periods. Another thing to consider is that the RX02 doesn't have any built-in image stabilization, so you'll need to use a gimbal or rely on post-processing software to smooth out your footage. Overall, the Sony RX02 is a unique and capable action camera that's perfect for anyone who values portability, image quality, and durability. If you're looking for a tiny camera that punches above its weight, the RX02 is definitely worth checking out.
Last but not least, let's talk about the Akaso Brave 7 LE, a budget-friendly action camera that offers incredible value for the price. If you're just getting started with action cameras or you're on a tight budget, the Brave 7 LE is an excellent option. Don't let the affordable price tag fool you. The Brave 7 LE is no slouch when it comes to features. It can shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, and it has a built-in touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate the menu and preview your shots. One of the standout features of the Brave 7 LE is its electronic image stabilization. While it's not quite as advanced as the stabilization found on more expensive cameras, it does a surprisingly good job of smoothing out your footage. Another area where the Brave 7 LE shines is its value for the money. It comes bundled with a waterproof case and a variety of mounts and accessories, making it an incredible value for budget-conscious adventurers. However, there are a few areas where the Brave 7 LE shows its budget-friendly nature. The image quality, while decent, isn't quite as good as the other cameras on this list, especially in low-light conditions. Another thing to consider is that the Brave 7 LE's user interface can be a bit laggy at times, and the touchscreen isn't as responsive as we'd like. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is an impressive budget action camera that offers a ton of value for the price. If you're looking for an affordable way to dip your toes into the world of action cameras, the Brave 7 LE is a great place to start.
So there you have it, our top 5 action cameras for 2024. From the feature-packed GoPro Hero 10 Black to the budget-friendly Akaso Brave 7 LE, there's an action camera out there for every type of adventurer and every budget. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. We're passionate about helping you find the best tech to capture your adventures and share your stories with the world. Let us know in the comments which action camera you think is the best. We're always eager to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.